makes me feel special.
Hey cousin, welcome and welcome back to my weekly vlog. And if you are new here, I go by the Sashari, and for the returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay guys, it's on Monday and I'm grateful because I'm awake. So I want to see what the week has for me, but I'm going to make breakfast and after that I'm going for driving classes. Yes, so let's go. I will put this bonnet because I'm going to cook. Yeah, so I'll put this bonnet and to cover my hair, and I will see you. Hi cousin. Okay, I'm done. I'm ready. I've already taken my breakfast, so I want to go to class, and I'm putting on this cute pink jumpsuit with my sneakers. And I'm putting on this fur coat because it's very cold until there's fog. I think the winter, it's fully started in Kenya, the July winter, yeah. So, and my shoes, these shoes, let me show you. Yeah, you see these shoes. I love the shoes so much because it's comfortable, the first thing. Yeah, and I get I get nice comments about these shoes. That's why I love it. And then I did my pedicure, so when I put other sneakers they normally press me, but about this particular one it doesn't press me. It fits so well. It's big. When I bought it at night, that time when I bought it, and even I had done my pedicure that time, so when I fitted it fit and it leaves some space, so I think it's like size 39 and I normally put size 38, so it's normally comfortable. You can put even with socks. That's why I love it. I put it like now and then. So I'm going with these shoes, yeah, like I showed you, and I'm good to go. So I'll see you when driving. Bye. Sasa huyu ni Maya. Maya. Kanyaga utafurahi. Student. Kurutu, say hi. Hey cousin, okay, I'm back, yeah, and I'm so exhausted. Whew. But I want to do laundry. I want to go and put my clothes in the laundry machine and clean because I have a lot of laundry. And yeah, I've just changed. I'm back to my pajamas. Yeah, and it's so cold. It's really very cold, but I'm also washing this today, so I will change and put another one. So let's go and do laundry. So I've done putting laundry. Now I want to edit my vlogs. I use 2 hours of editing, then I start working. But today I'm feeling exhausted. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't have a heavy breakfast, but we will do it no matter what. Let's go. Hi cousins, so I want to make dinner, and today I'm doing chicken and saga green vegetables. That's what I'm going to cook. Yeah, the kienyeji chicken, and it's finished. Yeah, the packet that I'm cooking today, it has finished, so I need to restock the kienyeji chicken. I need to restock the green vegetables. Yeah, but let's get it. Here it's my kienyeji chicken, then the vegetables, that bell pepper and carrot for the chicken, then here it's the saga, and I'm still deep frozen another one. So that's my dinner. That's how it looks like. My plate and my sissy. So let me eat my dinner. I'll see you later. Good morning cousin. Okay, I want to take the apple cider. Yeah, it's another day, so I'm taking apple cider. I'm using this spoon to measure, and I woke up with my stomach has blood, so let me take this. I'm boiling the water for it. Mabiti wananisaka nina 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 masaibu yanakufuata. Whoops. So as I take this one, let me make breakfast. Yeah, and I'm making milk tea. Why I'm getting bloatings like daily, I don't know why, because I'm waking up daily, I'm bloating. I need to detox this body. Last week I was bloating, no, the other week I was bloating. Okay, it came out, it was periods. Now I've finished. Now this week, which has finished, today it's on Tuesday. Yesterday I woke up a blood, today again a blood. Oh my god, I don't know. I have to make the what is it called? I have to make the fermented cabbage and fermented carrot. Yeah, the kimchi, and I don't know, the kombucha, because I need to detox my body. The bloating is too much. But the good thing, when I take the apple cider, yeah, it stops the bloating sometimes, and I will feel like going to the washroom, because I've been having a problem of not having a long call. Yeah, for me to poop it has been a problem, so the apple cider helps. I need to boil water to put in the flask. Yeah, so irritating. Being Tuesday, after finishing breakfast, I will edit my blogs. Yeah, but last week I didn't blog a lot, but the few that I've vlogged, I will edit, because I just need to be consistent, and I feel consistent pays. Because I was watching my vlogs the other day, then I saw during my birthday of last year I was at 180 subscribers, and I was asking people to make me reach 200. And then this birthday of this year I was at 480, and I was telling people to make me reach 500. So I grew with 300 and something. I grew with 300 and something. So consistency pays. I know one day I believe in myself that one day I'll be that big vlogger. Yeah.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of
Hey cousins, so I want to make dinner, and I'm making lentils with cabbage. Yeah, that's what I'm making today for dinner. And I'm feeling my stomach painful, like it's burning. I don't know if like I'm having gastric or ulcers or what, because that's what I'm feeling. But yeah, that's why I want to make just cabbage with lentils. morning, cousins. Good morning. Okay, it's on Wednesday and it's 8:19. So I want to massage my tummy. Like I told you before, I'm having bloatings. Oh, I don't know, this massage is not helping or what. I've been having bloatings, but it helps. I don't know why I'm having bloating a lot. So I want to massage, then I drink apple cider, and then I drink the breakfast because I'm supposed to go to driving class early, because when I'm going at 10, they told us to be going at 10, but when I'm going at 10, oh, they're wasting my time. So I want to go early and finish with that class, yeah, so that I come back. Yeah, so let me go and get ready, yeah, because I want by 9 to be there. Ooh. Why is it itchy? Martinez, well, cousins, I'm done. Okay, and this is what I'm dressed. Yeah, that's what I'm putting on. I'm putting on this top. Yeah, and I'll put a jacket on top. I don't have a lot of jackets, so I need to shop for jackets because it's weather for jackets. Yeah, so let me put this close today. And I'm good to go. Let's go.
Lakini tunaenda tu ya Tanzania mahali tumetoka, twende kwa breaks.
please, yeah. And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake it
She
to
love.
the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hi cousins. Okay, it's later in the day. It's already in the evening. I want to make dinner, and today I'm making beef and vegetables. And I've passed through the market. I got tea because mine finished in the morning, and I got natural yogurt. Is it perfect? And then I got some eggs because we have been eating wheat for some few days because we didn't have eggs. So let's get in cooking dinner, and I'll talk to you.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade, it's time to rise. The world is ours, no need to hide. Let's take the leap and feel alive. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our goal. Living now, live it loud. Don't let the moment slip away somehow. We're here, we're free, we're strong. Living now and move along. The night is young, the beat is sweet. Let's dance beneath the city lights. No regrets, no looking back. We're riding our own track. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are...
Hi cousins. Okay, today I'm going to cook egg curry with rice. I'm boiling my eggs over here, and here is the rice. And then I'm roasting my vegetables over here. So my eggs are ready. I want to blend now the vegetables. Yeah, I want to blend these vegetables with the yogurt. So to use this yogurt. Hi, good morning cousins. Okay, it's on Friday and I'm going for class. So I normally go Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So I'm going to class, driving class, and this is my feet. Yeah, so I've remained only to put shoes and go. So what's the time? It's 8:33. So let's go. Yeah, and I'll put on jacket. Hey cousins, good morning. Okay, it's another beautiful Sunday and I'm ready to go to church. Yes, and I'm here to show you the outfit of the day. So I'm dressed in this bodysuit with this boho skirt, yeah, and the shoes. I'm putting on these Gucci sandals, and then I'm going to put on this denim jacket, yeah, to cover the outfit. Yeah, to cover that top. Yeah, and this is the handbag that I'm bringing on. So see you in church. Hope you have a beautiful Sunday. Bye. Hi guys, so we are in church. We've just arrived 10 minutes earlier and let's go. Maybe I will not vlog because there's somebody in church I've never told you. I'll tell you, that's a story for another day. Hey guys, so we have come from church now. We are in Paris. My sister said she has never tried croissant, so I want to go try a croissant. Yeah, because I know how to make it, but I'm lazy to make it at home. Let her try so that when I make it at home, she will know what I'm making. Let's go. This is the croissant from Carrefour. I want to try this one. Sinaona kuna baga. Somebody wants again a hot dog. Hiya. Hey guys. What do you want? Hot dog. She wants again hot dog. Now we are queuing for hot dog, and then toot. Basket. Cousins, so I'm back. I want to show you what we got in Carrefour. Okay, we got juice. This one my sister, she started drinking it, and then this is my milk, flavored milk, vanilla. I started even drinking it. And then we got hot dogs, yeah, too, and the something that was taking us there, the croissant, and then the chips. And we are home now. I want just to eat this and watch my vlog because I'm uploading a vlog now. Yes, see you. And if you have come this far, please don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll see you in another one. Bye.